LEROSETT Botanical Acne Cleanser is aloe-based, smoothing on the skin, calming, reduces redness and acne, and is so easy to use. The Botanical Acne Cleanser is fantastic for removing blackheads, pimples, and other breakouts from your face. The LEROSETT Spot Treatment and Clearing Mask is highly effective and easy to use. Rub the clay in between your hands and apply it to your face. Be sure to thoroughly rub it into the skin. The LEROSETT clay is the #1 tool in the arsenal against acne. Because it is drug-free and chemical-free, LEROSETT clay has been preferred by dermatologists, acne specialists, and estheticians for over 30 years. Once the clay mask has dried, the mask will remove very easily. LEROSETT Moisture Matte is aloe-based, oil-free, and lightweight. It is applied directly after cleansing the face or using a clay mask. Once you distribute it on the skin, you should feel the moisturizing and the cooling process as it heals. The lightweight nature of the product leaves it very mattifying. Because you can't feel much on your skin, it doesn't feel oily or heavy. Using the moisture mat after the clay mask is very important. It begins the healing process, reduces redness and inflammation.